Introduction: the construction industry has a negative impact on the environment, causing the greenhouse gas emission, resource depletion, and waste generation. As a result, sustainable construction practices that minimize environmental impact and promote long-term economic and social benefit are becoming increasingly necessary. Using procedures and practices that reduce construction negative environment the impact while fostering social responsibility and economic vitality is known as sustainable construction management. This strategy combines environmentally friendly building materials, energy-saving technology, waste management plan, and ecologically friendly construction technique. A sustainable system ability to lessen waste production, cut the greenhouse gas emission, and slow the depletion of natural resources make it crucial for site construction. In addition to addressing long-term economic concerns by reducing operating costs, thus energy efficiency, and uh, improve community quality of life. Sustainable construction also help to preserve ecosystem and biodi- biodiversity. For the literature review offers a comprehensive exploration of the sustainable construction practice, reflecting a global trend toward environmentally responsible, economically viable, and socially equitable approach in the construction industry reduce the ecological footprint to sustainable material, energy efficient design, plus reducing and green technologies with a particular focus on mitigating carbon emission and resource preservation.
My name is Mohammad Nazmi Beraisan Skama CF210351. For our first case study is Sustainable Street Construction by Bassam Morgan and Michael Sansom, November 2006. In this case study, it emphasized the significance of construction in relation to the three pillars
Assalamualaikum.
of
My name is
sustainable
Siti Nurniza
development,
binti
which is
Shariza,
economic growth, social progress, and
CF210029.
effective
So
impact
I'm
on
presenting
construction site,
about progress of
along with
sustainable
the
in bridge
creation of improved
construction
employment conditions.
at Kampung Chuah, Port
The
Dickson,
paper
Negeri
explores how
Sembilan.
steel
The first
construction
one is
addressed these
waste
issues,
reduction.
focusing on its
Sustainable
impact on the
construction's
construction
importance in
process in new
minimizing waste
buildings,
through proper planning
including
and
speed,
precise material
prefabrication,
ordering.
safety, waste
Mr. Lokman,
minimization,
his
and
example
improvement in
emphasized the
factory
value
and
of
site
learning
condition.
from past experiences to
Second case
avoid
study is
over-ordering
Sustainable Bridge,
or
the
under-ordering
100 years
materials,
design life for
resulting in
second
both
gateway
waste
bridge by
reduction
John
and
Connor
lower
Marita,
environmental
May
costs.
2009.
Next is social responsibility. The
Achieving
significance of
sustainability goals
social
for bridge is
sustainability
most
in construction, focusing
effectively
on fair labor
realized
practices,
through the
worker safety,
establishment
and
of
minimizing social
resilient
impact on
bridge
local communities.
characterized by
Mr.
extended
Lokman,
service
the
life and
site
minimum
supervisor,
maintenance requirement.
ensure worker safety
In
through
the
strict
overall life
protocol
cycle
and regular
perspective,
training,
this bridge aims to
deploying
reduce material
a
consumption
safety
over the
and
long
health
term.
officer. And the last one is project planning and scheduling. The evolutions of sustainability in construction project management, specifically in scheduling and tracking work. Mr. Lokman's bridge construction project completed within the client set timeframe, successfully employed just-in-time practices to minimize delays and waste.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahrul Hakim. My matrix number is CF210357. And as for the recommendation or suggestion for this project, uh, firstly, we recommend the use of recycled materials. Secondly, we recommend the green infrastructure. And thirdly, we use the renewable energy. Fourthly, is life cycle assessment. Number five, use of prefabricate components. And lastly, number six, the use of sustainable transportation. And as for the use of recycled materials, by utilizing recycled materials such as steel, concrete, and plastics in bridge construction, not only creates robust and long-lasting infrastructure, but also significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with raw material extraction and manufacturing. This sustainable approach not only lowers building costs and minimizes dependency on virgin resources, but also actively contributes to environmental conservation by reducing waste and lessening the negative impact of mining and extraction. The second point, the green infrastructure. The green infrastructure is encompassing features like biofuels, rain gardens, and green roofs. Plays a crucial role in sustainable urban development by efficiently managing stormwater runoff and mitigating its environmental impact. These elements, such as vegetated green roof, rain gardens, and biofuels, not only control water flow but also enhance urban living by increasing green space, reducing the urban heat island effect, and improving energy efficiency, ultimately fostering more sustainable and healthy environment. Point number three, the use of renewable energy. In investing sustainability in bridge construction, integrating renewable energy sources like hydroelectric power, wind turbines, and solar panels enable structure to reduce their reliance on traditional power grids, minimizing carbon footprints and promoting self-sufficiency. Not only do these systems support global initiatives to combat climate change by generating clean energy, but they also enhance bridge resilience, ensuring continued functionality during disruption or power outage. Examples like the solar-powered Crash Auditorium footbridge at MIT and the Copenhagen International Airport Bridge with wind turbines showcase the practicality of this eco-friendly energy solution, setting a standard for future infrastructure projects. Number four, life cycle assessment. The LCA is a crucial tool in evaluating the environmental impact of bridge projects, examining every stage from raw material extraction to disposal and enabling informed decision on sustainable design and construction methods. Utilizing LCA in bridge construction facilities increase resource efficiency, eco-friendly material selection, and guidance on construction methods to reduce carbon footprints, optimizing environmental performance and ensuring a balance between economic concern and environmental responsibility in infrastructure development. As for the number five, use of prefabricated components. Using prefabricated components like steel trusses, precast concrete beams, and modular bridge decks in bridge construction significantly reduce construction-related emissions, waste, and energy consumption, resulting in a lower overall carbon footprint. Prefabrication not only improve construction precision and efficiency, but also enhance safety, reduce traffic disturbance, and demonstrates real-world benefits such as shorter project completion times, lower costs, and a minimal impact on nearby ecosystem, aligning with sustainable construction practice for prolonged infrastructure lifespan and structural integrity. Number six, the use of sustainable transportation. Encouraging sustainable modes of transportation such as walking, bicycling, and public transit when constructing bridges not only reduce the project's carbon footprint by minimizing private vehicle use, but also promotes an active and healthy lifestyle while reducing traffic congestion and emissions. In urban settings, integrating reliable public transport with pedestrian-friendly infrastructure enhance accessibility, reduce air pollution, and contributes to inclusive and equitable mobility, as exemplified by successful implementation of dedicated bike lanes and pedestrian zone in cities.
For conclusion, this technical report advocates for a shift to sustainable construction practice in bridge construction. It explores the significant impacts on the environment, economy, and society, emphasizing social welfare, economic feasibility, and environmental responsibility. The report underscores the transformative potential of sustainable materials, advanced technologies, and creative design. Implementing these strategies reduce environmental footprint, enhance bridge performance and safety, and demonstrate financial responsibility through lower life cycle costs. Additionally, building sustainable bridges contribute to public health and community resilience, providing broad social benefit.